Make a great choice today with the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.